over 2,000 people in India are killed by lightning strikes every year. The National Crime Records data has revealed that lightning strikes account for 35% of deaths caused by natural forces, making lightning the biggest killer. Over 100 people have been killed in lightning-related incidents in the last 2 months alone, even as reports show a 34% increase in lightning strikes between 2020 and 2021. Union Minister of State for Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, has told the Lok Sabha that lightning strikes have increased all over India over the last 2 decades. He added that the government is working on it and trying to address concerns around this natural calamity. India's second annual lightning report showed that as many as 1,619 deaths have been attributed to lightning strikes between April 2020 and March 2021. The report has also observed that fatalities are more between the pre-monsoon and the beginning of the monsoon season. In addition to the loss of lives, lightning strikes also caused widespread loss to property and agricultural fields while also sparking wildfires at times. As per recent studies, parts of Indian peninsula, particularly the northeast and east, have registered a sharp spike in lightning strikes. The increase has been minimal over central India and moderate over the rest of the country. A study conducted by the California University in 2015 had projected that a rise in the average global temperatures by 1 degree Celsius would increase the frequency of lightning by at least 12%. Experts believe that the rise in the incidence of lightning strikes are owing to climate change and are directly related to the availability of more moisture over land due to global warming. The Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology in Pune, along with the Ministry of Earth Sciences, have established lightning location networks at 83 places across the country to detect and locate lightning strikes with utmost accuracy. The National Weather Forecasting Center and the State Meteorological Centers are also involved in forecasting lightning strikes and issuing warnings. At present, this facility is extended to all districts and to about 1,084 stations across the country. Since 2019, the India Meteorological Department has been issuing lightning forecasts by setting up a lightning forecast system that gives color-coded warnings. These forecasts are generated using multiple sources like satellite observations, inputs from a network of Doppler and other radars. Damini to the rescue. In 2018, the government launched an app named Damini, which means lightning in Hindi. The app issues warnings about lightning strikes at least 30 to 45 minutes before it strikes. This free mobile-based app, launched by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, tracks lightning and sends alerts to notify individuals about potential lightning strikes whenever a person is within 20-kilometer radius of the lightning event. For now, the warnings are issued in Hindi and English, while the government is working on adding more languages in the future. The app also issues detailed instructions and precautions on how to stay protected from lightning strikes. All these are, however, baby steps in ensuring that India limits fatalities due to lightning bolts. It is nevertheless a beginning in the country's efforts to thwart India's biggest natural killer. A Federal Report.